is no doubt that science has taken advances in medicine to heights never seen before in human history. We have life-saving surgeries, medications, and technologies that are nearly magical in effect. But all the advanced medical knowledge in the world means nothing if you will not or cannot go see a doctor. People try to protect themselves and their loved ones from injury and illness with insurance, but health insurance programs can be complex. Like the human body itself, it requires judicious and careful planning and attention. Finding insurance companies that operate with integrity while providing credible health coverage that is cost-effective, innovative, and pays what they say is challenging at best. This is even more difficult in communities of faith. Many faith-based communities fall prey to double and triple-digit premiums, runaway deductible cost, repeating copays, and high maximum out-of-pocket expenses. Even more frustrating is trying to negotiate with non-insurance organizations such as faith-based health cost-sharing organizations that propose to offer health coverage to communities of faith but do not have proper regulatory provisions in place to protect the faith-based community from predatory practices. Many members fall victim to unpaid claims with no legal recourse to remedy their situation, and House of Worship members are left feeling angry, frustrated, scared, confused, and betrayed. At its most basic level, there's a unique difference between health care and health insurance. Health care is the service you receive for a specific condition. Health insurance is how you pay for that service. I would like to introduce you to the GLAD Health and Income Protection Program, a refreshing non-major medical alternative to the non-regulated faith-based health cost share programs. Our mission at GLAD is to offer cost-effective regulated health and income protection benefit programs to communities of faith of all sizes. We understand that protecting you and your loved ones is easier to handle when we cooperate as a community. GLAD Health and Income Protection Plans are backed by the full faith and goodwill of an alliance of insurance carriers, as well as the laws and consumer protections our nation has put in place to protect its citizens. If you're a house of worship that would like to offer benefits to your membership like a corporation would offer to its employees, then the GLAD program is for you. Because GLAD Health and Income Protection Plans are not major medical plans, there's a 12-month waiting period on pre-existing conditions for hospitalization confinement and ICU confinement. But there is no hold on pre-existing conditions for preventative care, out-of-patient services, or in-network repricing benefits. All plans offer $5 million of lifetime health benefits per member and are built on a Lego block system that allow a house of worship to stack group benefits that are favorable to their organization. Each plan offers outpatient care, preventative care, and surgical care, along with catastrophic specified disease and critical illness benefits to handle major crises such as heart attack, stroke, cancer, joint replacement, pacemaker, defibrillator, and renal failure. A 24-hour accident medical expense coverage is included for life's unforeseen mishaps. It can pay individually per incident or collectively, and can be used to offset health plan deductibles. Catastrophic accident and accidental death benefit can also be included to protect against economically debilitating expenses and ensure that your family is not disenfranchised due to unforeseen incidents that could cause your demise. Members can complement their health benefits with dental and vision coverage that may allow them to be credited for time on previous dental coverage. This can become critical when needing major dental surgery. Some restrictions may apply. All GLAD Health and Income Protection Plans offer prescription drugs, telemedicine, behavioral health, medical bill negotiations, medical records retrieval, and dermatology. Members can even get assistance with medical bill financing if they qualify. GLAD Health and Income Protection Plans utilize the National PPO Network's PHCS and MultiPlan. PHCS reduces costs by repricing procedures and facility fees. This means you can see any doctor anytime and anywhere, but for the best results, it's recommended to use in-network doctors. All members have their choice of income protection through our GLAD Quality of Life benefit programs. They can access long-term care, nursing home care, and home health care, combined with terminal illness and a House of Worship legacy preservation benefit through our permanent term Empathy Life Income Protection Policy that covers them to age 121 and includes diabetics. This benefit is a perfect complement to GLAD health plans because it allows up to 4% of the face amount of the Empathy policy to be used as a monthly income, up to 75% of the face amount if you're diagnosed with a chronic illness or cognitive impairment, such as Alzheimer's and dementia. Houses of worship can benefit from the legacy provisions in our income protection rider because members determine at the point of enrollment to bless their house of worship with 5, 10, or 15% of the face amount of their protection benefit tax-free for generational legacy gifting at time of death. For future savings, all members can register for our GLAD Caring Heart Legacy Association benefit. It provides permanent, deeply discounted savings on final expense needs, such as caskets, headstones, urns, vaults, and funeral services. Now, when members pass away, their legacy can continue to bless their families and communities for years to come with our permanent term to age 121 policy or our Caring Heart final expense policy, both with legacy benefits crafted from the ground up for the faith-based community. More importantly, as a policy-holding legacy partner, you'll receive a renewable $500 guaranteed legacy shoppers and travel card as a gift with your membership. This card helps members access discounts at over 57,000 dining partners and over 4,000 retail partners nationwide. Members can also purchase hotel or resort reservations for conventions, vacations, family reunions, or general travel needs. Gone are the days of bake sales, fish fries, and GoFundMe accounts. Every time members use the $500 discount credits on their card for hotel or resort purchases, their house of worship automatically receives a 10% legacy gift. GLAD works with partners at all levels and in all communities. We're committed to a higher standard, not just to follow the letter of the law, but also to never stray from morally correct practices. We help expose those who take advantage of our communities while protecting you and your friends and family. GLAD further protects the health, life, and wealth of its members by preserving their economy through our GLAD Trust Protection benefit. This benefit helps members protect their assets from frivolous lawsuits or unforeseen crises that could otherwise devastate a member's economy. There has never been a legacy preservation program that was created from its inception to undergird, bless, and ensure the life, health, and wealth of communities of faith until now. GLAD Health and Income Protection Program. A safe and responsible way to cover a house of worship members with cost-effective benefits just like corporations do for their employees. For more information on how your house of worship can offer health and income protection benefits to its members, contact us on info@gladprogram.com. Guaranteed Legacy and the GLAD program is exclusively brought to you by America's Health Options LLC and an alliance of companies. There may be many faiths, but only one Guaranteed Legacy Life, Health, and Protection program.